Hi there, students. Vicissitudes. Vicissitudes. Okay, this is a noun that is talking about the ups and downs of life. Things go well and then things go badly. The vicissitudes of life. This is a really common collocation with vicissitudes. Changes of fortune. Yeah, things go up and things go down. Although we use this word vicissitudes, particularly when things go badly, when the tide of life is against us and getting worse. But I think that's because we as humans notice much more clearly when things go from good to bad than when things go from bad to good. Maybe it's one of our faults. You could say the vicissitudes of the British weather in summer. So one day it's a beautiful sunny day and the next day it's pouring with rain. So if you want to have a picnic, you will need to take into account the vicissitudes of the British weather. So go prepared, because it could rain incredibly. It could pour with rain. The vicissitudes of the stock market. The share price goes up and the share price goes down. Yeah, it's talking about alternation, changing from good to bad, from one side to another. The vicissitudes of the sea. So one day the sea can be really calm and there's no wind, and suddenly the next day there's a huge storm. Okay, the vicissitudes of the sea. So it's talking about the ups and downs, the good things and the bad things. But it's talking about a general idea, the tide of life. Yeah? The origin of this word, well, it comes from French, meaning to alternate. But this comes from Latin, vicissitudo, to take turns. And this stem, this beginning, vic, is talking about change. So, vicissitudes, sudden changes. If you live with someone who is bipolar, you need to take into account the vicissitudes of their character. One moment they're all sweetness and light, and the next moment they're really angry. Okay? So, vicissitudes. Notice it's nearly always plural. I don't think I would use the vicissitude of this situation, because life and its ups and downs, there are many different factors to take into account. So, the vicissitudes of my job. Sometimes it's great and I love it. And then other times, it's really hard because things are against me. Things are against me. No, they're not. Just a way of looking at it. Now, formality, vicissitudes. This is a formal word. Yeah, maybe 7 informality. I guess you could use it in an informal conversation, but it would sound a bit weird. I'd just use the phrase the ups and downs of life, the ups and downs of the situation, the ups and downs of his character. For a formal document or for a formal writing or for a formal essay in your exam English, this would be really good, a really good word to use. It's one of these words you can use to show off how great my vocabulary is. But you need to activate it. So why don't you just think of some sentences using vicissitudes? It'll help you to activate the word. Okay, so vicissitudes, a formal word, a literary word, meaning sudden changes in the situation, sudden ups and downs, things that alternate from good to bad, particularly vicissitudes when things get bad. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Vicissitudes.